Prior to beginning with Matic cost expectation, let us first know more about Polygon. It is an ideal blockchain stage that gives less expensive and lightning quick exchanges, dispensing with the intricacies engaged with the decentralized environment. Matic has been made with the sole goal of a multifunctional and multi-purpose benefit in varying backgrounds. Polygon value expectation is referenced exhaustively in this video. Here every single individual chain manages its free blockchain networks with its agreement instrument and block validators to make more youngster chains of its own. As of late, Matic organization rebranded to Polygon, Ethereum's web of blockchains. Aside from it, numerous different factors like the basics of the token, value history, improvement, and acknowledgement of the symbolic assume a significant part as well. No financial backers should depend just on crypto forecast to pursue their venture choice. Polygon's local token Matic has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers and dealers. This suggests further reception of Polygon by brokers and financial backers. The downswing that played for the token in 2019 vanished in the setting of its mechanical arrangements. They were in no way, shape or form a worldview, however it tends to be said the token was being followed for development. Nonetheless, 2022 has not been a decent one for the Matic token. The coin cost was $2.58 to start with, yet has now reached $0.6142. A habitually and definitely noticed quality of Polygon is that it has shown the most sporadic and fluctuating way of behaving, particularly this year. The pattern line demonstrates that the cost has been diminished by over 75%. The 57 cents is the quick help level from where the Matic cost has bobbed as of late. The ongoing cost is much beneath the 50 and 200 ml levels, showing that the coin doesn't have a lot of solidarity to start an upturn temporarily. Nonetheless, the MACD line is showing somewhat bullish force as it exchanges over the sign line. Simultaneously, the RSI is exchanging at 37, in the unbiased zone. To close the specialized examination and characterize our momentary Polygon cost expectations, we emphatically accept that it isn't the most ideal opportunity to put resources into the coin. In view of our Polygon cost expectation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The Matic coin cost for 2027 may be around $2.304. According to the 5-year Matic gauge, the income is supposed to be around plus 256.66%. According to the specialized examination, the normal greatest cost of Matic toward the finish of 2022 might be around $1.188. Matic's cost target is set to bounce back by July, which would fundamentally mirror a decent pinnacle. The base cost of $0.6483 before the year's over 2023 makes certain to scale, according to our Polygon cost forecasts. The ongoing cost of Matic is $0.6461, and our information shows that the resource cost has been in an upswing for the beyond 1 year. Polygon has been showing a rising propensity, and the future cost of Polygon is anticipated at $4.91 following a year, as indicated by our Matic cost forecast. According to the Polygon cost expectation information investigation, the cost of Matic is supposed to cross the degree of 70 cents. Toward the finish of 2022, Polygon is supposed to arrive at any rate costs of 80 cents. What's more, the Matic cost can get a greatest degree of 90 cents. The year 2022 can end with a typical cost of $1.92 and a base value worth of $1.85. The greatest cost of Polygon is supposed to exchange around $2.19 according to our Matic coin cost expectation. As a non-mineable token, Matic's ongoing cost remains at $0.6461 with a crypto market capitalization of $5,140,492,951, setting it in the place of 17 in the worldwide digital currency rankings. There are 7.96B Matic tokens accessible in supply as of now. The new all-time excessive cost of Polygon is $2.92, and the exchanging volume for 24 hours is $370,270,602.19. The Polygon cost has denoted the most minimal value level of 59 cents and most exorbitant cost degree of 64 cents throughout recent hours. The variables like all-time high, another record-breaking high, and Polygon cost expectations constantly continue to change, and it is on the indicator's judgment concerning where the cost will reach. Polygon, Matic, Value Expectation 2022. The huge DApp reception and various mechanical updates drove the general development of Matic costs. The associations and collusions will push the adaptability of the organization to 65,000 exchanges each second. The ongoing cost of Polygon, Matic, is exchanging around $0.6461. As indicated by Polygon Cost Forecast 2022, the coin cost might attempt to recuperate from the new market decline. With our cost anticipation information, merchants will actually want to settle on better speculation choices. Here is our month-to-month Polygon coin cost expectation for the year 2022. Polygon Crypto Value Forecast September 2022. For September, it is normal that the coin might exchange around similar levels as August. The base, normal, and greatest costs are expected to be 73 cents, 75 cents, and 80 cents, separately. Polygon Crypto Expectation October 2022. For the period of October, the typical exchanging cost of Polygon can be around 75 cents, while the most extreme and least costs can be around 77 cents and 73 cents, individually. Matic Organization Value Expectation November 2022. For the period of November 2022, the normal cost of Matic is supposed to be around 75 cents. While the base and most extreme costs are supposed to be 65 cents and 80 cents, individually. Matic Coin Value Expectation of December 2022. Toward the finish of 2022, the most extreme value level of Polygon may be around 87 cents, and the base cost will be around 70 cents. While the typical cost is supposed to be around 78 cents. Matic Value Forecast 2023. As indicated by Matic Coin Cost Expectation 2023, the cost of Polygon might have its portion of murky days. The worth ought to cruise serenely at $1 or a max do homage 80 cents, not plunging yet playing predictably during the principal half of 2023. From that point forward, our Polygon Crypto Cost Expectation 2023 demonstrates that it wouldn't be an embellishment to track down the worth at $1.03. Matic's future presentation has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally encouraging way. The token might fill quickly, particularly